Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2025 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice carbonized gray coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5-liter EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities. This vehicle does come equipped with the FX4 Off Road Package, Black Appearance Package, Tow and Haul Package, and the Bed Utility Package. Taking a look at the back here, we do have rear park sensing, tow hitch, backup camera. We do have a tailgate step and bed liner. We do have a nice gripped running board, side view camera, spotlight and turn light indicated, blind spot detection. And moving to the front, we have front park sensing, tow hooks, license plate bracket, block heater, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black sport cloth interior, plenty of door space, carpet interior, you even get rubbered floor mats. We have cup holders, 12 volts, outlets, USB, USB-Cs, 120, and of course you can lift up the seats if you need additional storage. Taking a look at the driver's side, we can see here we do have powered seats with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space, parking brake, lights, spotlights, and auto stop auto start all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 13.2 kilometers. We do have a nice leather-wrapped steering wheel, toggle for your screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking at our main screen here, we have My View, Trip and Feel, Gauges, Off-Road, Towing, Status Info, Navigation, Phone, Audio, Vehicle Maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we have leather-wrapped gear shift. We have our speeds. It is collapsible with storage, cup holders, more storage here, and some outlets. Leather-wrapped center console with even more storage. We have our drive modes, rear locking diff and four-wheel drive, trailer brake, pro trailer assist. We have heated front seats with dual climate, 12 volt and 120. We got secret storage right there, storage above, and above me we do have a rear window opener, which is pretty handy. We have our parking as well as our hill just right there. Taking a look at our main screen here, we do have our audio, which does have AM, FM, Sirius, and Bluetooth. We got our phone, navigation so you don't get lost, your favorite apps, messaging, email, Wi-Fi hotspot, whatever you've selected there. Apps in general, or any apps you download, show up right here with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You got your settings and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is FA39545, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.